Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, I will be walking you through the Niche Funnel Showcase so that you can see the additional resources when promoting your niche funnels from the Premium Funnel Club. Let's hop right in. Okay, so first, we're inside our affiliate dashboard. Let's hop over to the Funnel Showcase and go ahead and click there. Now here, when your Funnel Showcase opens up, it is going to have some of the most popular niche funnels that are ready to be promoted to clients, to potential clients that are looking for the all-in-one business solution. So you can do that by going into the Funnel Showcase and scrolling right down here and taking a look at all of the different niche funnels that we have available and the different tools available to help you promote these niche funnels. So for example, this is the dental funnel, real estate funnel, auto detailing funnel, martial arts, boot camp, and the list goes on and on. What's super cool about the Funnel Showcase is that all of the tools to help promote are right here. Now it's super cool. So let's take the dental clean and checkup funnel. This one here is all ready for you to not only share the link, right? So if you click on the view funnel, this is what the funnel is going to look like. Okay. Now if you go back into the Funnel Showcase, you can actually select social media, click on that file, and it is going to download social media images that you can use for your social media content when promoting this funnel. In addition to that, you can click on download ad description. Super cool. Here's an example of an ad ready to go. Okay, it also breaks down the ad type, locations, for example, maybe the age group, genders, and target. Take a look at how you can maybe make the necessary adjustments so that you're properly targeting the right clients. Now here are some suggestions for main text, title, and description. Now, as you can see, this is just another powerful resource that contains tools to help you start marketing your niche funnels today. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.